Meanwhile, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, the founder of a student financial aid startup called Frank for defrauding banking giant JPMorgan Bank in the year 2021. The regulator's action comes after JPMorgan filed a lawsuit alleging that Javice faked millions of customers to induce the bank to buy her startup for $175 million. The startup, called Frank, helps students get financial aid for their college education. But the website shut in January this year after JPMorgan alleged fraud. According to the complaint, Javice allegedly sought the help of a startup's director of engineering to generate synthetic data to make it appear as if it had 4.25 million customers. But when the director did not cooperate, Javice took the help of a data scientist to manufacture the data to help close the deal with JPMorgan. As a part of the $175 million deal, Javice received $9.7 million directly in stock proceeds, millions more indirectly through trusts and a contract entitling her to a $20 million retention bonus as a new employee of JPMorgan. JPMorgan says it found out about the alleged fraud when it sent out marketing test emails to a list of Frank's customers, but most of them bounced. Ever since the alleged fraud was uncovered, JPMorgan has described the acquisition as a huge mistake. But questions have emerged after the whole fiasco. As due diligence becomes old-fashioned and out of the window, did JPMorgan run a due diligence before buying out Frank? The questions have a solid foundation following the fallout of many startups whose valuations do not match with sustainability or profitability. The U.S. regulator has charged Javice of violating the anti-fraud law. The young businessman, though, has denied any wrongdoing. She filed a counterclaim that it was implausible for the bank to believe her startup had 4.25 million customers.